So here's the thing. I really have this Stream Deck that I could actually like, or like I could set up keyboard hotkeys so that I'm not like sitting over here like clicking on stuff this way to start the stream. Doesn't matter, but and like I could come up with better like fade in screens and like all the other stuff. I haven't looked at that stuff yet. I need to do that. Not like need, but like that's another one too, right? The word like need, I need to do that, or I need to do this. Lots of times not so much with the need, but like that's on the list of things to do. That would be a good thing to do, a beneficial thing to do. So signed up for Monstercat, the full Monstercat Gold or whatever. We'll see how that goes. Let me just check. Looks like the music's doing okay. I have to like, oh, so it's just for reference, it's peaking at like minus 42 decibels. I'm gonna actually raise that up. Minus 40, okay. Minus 39. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, so welcome. Today on the agenda is gonna be the Google FooBar challenge. So I did, and I wish I accidentally closed the browser. So like I finished the first one and submitted it and like all the tests passed, so cool. And it like had this little ASCII bunny jumping around, which was kind of fun and neat. But I was closing a bunch of tabs and I accidentally closed that one and I can't get back to that. So the best I can do is like see this little level thing. So I've done level 1 and got it and ready to go. So now we'll go through and see, and that was a fun one. Like I liked the process of going through getting the solution going. I made a few updates after the stream. Basically, I just turned it from Python 3 into Python 2, which didn't take very much at all. The big one was like in Python 3, I had that kind of set up with the asterisk so that I'm pretty sure basically that makes sure that it's like you have to have the named variables and you can only use the named variables or attributes or arguments, whatever they are. But whatever. So like it worked. It's cool. I was happy with it. Like it's kind of funny because it was like a little bit of like I ran the tests and everything was running fine on my side, but it's still just a little bit like, what's going to happen when you submit it? And then I also put in a bunch of stuff. So I don't know if they'll like look at it. But like I put a bunch of notes and documentation stuff in there, and then the streams that I did just to see like, hey, whatever, in case you actually look at this. You can see that it took me like 6 hours to do this thing because I was, well, partly because I was streaming and that I code much slower when I'm streaming because I talk about it and do all the other stuff. Also partly because I took kind of 2 runs at it. I wasn't as happy with the first run, so went back and did a second run. But whatever, it actually ended up being a really small amount of code. Like if we took this out, I'm actually curious about this. Where are we going? Let's go to VS Code. I don't particularly know why I'm going to VS Code. That just happens to be the thing. Oh, that's my Gatsby thing. Can you start code not in a place? I don't know the answer to that. Open file, new file. Yes, you can. Oh, it's not in Python. Okay, whatever. We'll go back into Python for a second, or PyCharm. I don't want to mess. I don't want to mess with this too much. New file. Delete this .py. So like the full. So there's the main part that call. So it made a class. The other one was they set up to like call a function. So I made a class on top of it because my brain processed that a little bit easier than just calling functions. I don't know if that like matters. And like, I'm not like super worried about this, but like, it'd be cool to like, you know, whatever, impress, not. So like 1 million people have done this thing, or I don't know how many, but a bunch of people have done this, and like a bunch of people who really know what they're doing. So like, I'm not super worried about it, but it would be cool to like have a good thing with people like, oh yeah, cool, nice, like good on you. So whatever, 30 lines of code, not too bad. I don't really know if I could have refined it much more than this. There's probably 1 or 2 things I could do to slice it down a little bit. And there's also different approaches I'm sure that I could take that would make it better, faster, whatever. But It got it. It's cool. I'm happy with it. So now we're going to go do the next one. Delete that. So project 1. Project 02. Still getting used to the switching back and forth on the keyboard. It's definitely got me thrown a little bit because I've moved some of the keys and they're all different places now. Requesting challenge. All right. Ooh, I love how the clock starts up with 6 days and 24 minutes. Oh, 24. Wait. Oh, 7 days. Okay. Days, hours, minutes, seconds. I was like, the 24 minutes threw me for a second there, but I recognize now that that's hours. Rumor has it the bunny trainers are inexplicably fond of bananas. You're an apple person yourself, but you file the information away for future reference. You never know when you might need to bribe a trainer or 3. Okay, so let's hang on to that. Notes, text. Paste. Whoops. They've got something going, which is I'm not a fan of, where you can't control C this stuff. You gotta like right click and copy. From level 2. New challenge, bunny worker locations added to your home folder. Time to solve 168 hours. So, bunny worker locations. Let's see what we got in here. Bunny worker locations. Keeping track of Commander Lambda's mini bunny workers is starting to get tricky. You've been tasked with writing a program to match bunny worker IDs to cell locations. Cell locations, nice. Lambchop Doomday device takes up much of the interior commander's space station. As a result, the work areas have an unusual layout. They're stacked in triangular shape, and the bunny workers are given bunny workers are given numerical IDs starting from the corner as follows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I see. Each cell can be represented by X, Y, with X being the distance from the vertical wall and Y being the height from the ground. X, Y. Okay, gotcha. For example, the bunny worker at 1, 1 has an ID of 1. Bunny worker at 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2 has an ID of 9. Bunny worker at 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 has an ID of 8. This pattern of numbering continues indefinitely. Commander Lambda has been adding a lot of workers. Write a function solution XY that returns the worker ID of the bunny at location XY. Each value of X and Y will be at least 1 and no greater than 100,000. Since worker IDs can be very large, return your solution as a string representation of the number. Okay. See, this is like readme.md, and then it's got constraints. So cat constraints. I think these are the same thing. Yeah, so this is going to be interesting because like right now 32,000 characters is not tricky for these early ones, but I am betting and later that might be tricky. All right, so solution.py. And we send solution XY at it. I changed my error keys. That's going to happen a lot. Whatever, pass. That's cool. And then test solution. See, like a bunch of these things, I'm sure are like standard. Like if you do a computer science course, like these are probably pretty straightforward, and I'm guessing are part of it. I have not done those, so this will be an interesting thing to try and figure out, and we'll see. And so it's a fun exercise. We'll see if we can actually figure it out without just straight looking it up. So each cell can be represented by points. Can we word wrap this? How do we edit? View appearance. I forget what word wrap is in this. So we're gonna go back here. Cat, read me. Solution 510, output 96. So 10. All right, so 1, 2, 4, 7. I'm sure there's a standard algorithm to get this. I want to see if what I can do to figure this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, well, so wait a minute. 2, 4. Let me make a couple more. Oh, that also wasn't going to copy, is it? So let's copy it from here. Can you just do straight quotes at the top? Does the first one? Well, yeah, it would just be a string, so it's not actually going in anything. And you're supposed to use double quotes, though. So there we go. 11. So the first thing we're going to do is bring all these over so that $12, 13, 14, 15. I'm gonna do one more. If I can find that key. 15, this would be 16. Nope. Nope. 17. 18. Which has an 8. 19. 20. 21. Let's see. So can you solve a math question or math problem without having seen it before and knowing what it is or having a direct approach to it? I'm just looking for a pattern in here other than like that you can go off of one way. So it's, I guess it's, I'm trying to figure out how to visualize this in like a data structure, basically. Or how to like, obviously how to, like, I'm trying to figure out the answer is what I'm trying to figure out. 711, 712. So what were their answers here? 5 and 10 is 96. Okay, that was not going to be helpful. 3 and 2 is 9. See, there's got to be a short algorithm for this that I will likely end up looking up, but I'm going to see what we can do to start with. So I was hoping that like these numbers would give me some hint. They do not at this point. 1, 2, wait. Oh yeah, 5 and 10 is 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, because I'm only getting this pattern goes on indefinitely. So like there's any coordinate that you give it, it's there. And it's not going to be like a multiplication thing. Like it would need to happen off of, ideally it's going to be something that you pass in just 2 coordinates, and then from there you do some type of magic on them to get this. Seven, 8, 9, 10. And it goes up. Got a weird text message there from, it looks like a bank, and I'm not actually sure if they have the right, like there's no way it's right. There's no way it's legit, but like they put an ending account number on there. I actually want to see if that has if it's actually my account number, then I'll go to a website or do whatever. So 6 and 10. So if we give it the X of 3, you get the 6. And you get the Y of 2, you get the 9. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. So if you give this 4, oh no, you get 10. And then 2. Nope. I was trying to figure out if there was some type of correlation in there that is not there. All right, we're gonna add one more. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. So we give it 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is 15. Oh, this is gonna be one of those 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Like, I can't remember what the name of those are. How do you figure out? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is not a thing that we can do here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6 is 21. 7 is 28. Okay. So you add. You get the position and you add all of the numbers up to that position. We're gonna do one more just to make sure this is true. I feel like it's true. Yeah. Wait. You add 2, you get 3. 1, 2, 3. 6, 4 is 10, 5 is 15. So yeah. So let's just do one more. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So if we add 8, yep, that's gonna be it. Okay. So that gets you the first. So that gets you the base. Yes, that is it. Hey, is 21. So the depth is the sum, right? What's up, Speed? Yeah, been a minute. I took a little break. I don't know if you've taken breaks too, but like I took a little break. Did a bunch of Minecraft, actually. That's what I was doing. But back into it now. It took a little like mental thing. Yeah, so then we got to get this one. Which would just be... No. It's going to be a similar thing. Too much Minecraft. Time disappears in that game. Like, I turn around, it's like 11 o'clock. It's like, ooh, I'll play a little bit longer. And all of a sudden it's 3 in the morning. Oh, left shifted by 1. Right. 27. 26. Got it. Wait. 20. Sorry. Yes, 20. The next one up here or the next one in general? So if we do 3. Oh, wait. Yeah, because that wouldn't be... It would have to have a 1 associated with it. One, 2, 3. So we do 1 plus. Is 19 a number here? Yeah, 19's there. 13's there. 8's going to be there. So is this going to be an alternating +1 plus not 1? Was just looking for that. Yeah. So hang on a second. Let me do this. So 8. I want to bounce these off. So that's 35. And it doesn't start with 4, because that would be 30, and we need to get to 34, so we need that 1 plus 3. Which makes me think... But then, so let's bounce that down to, whoops, geek. What is going on? Why am I copying the wrong thing? Copy. Paste. So this should be, uh-oh. And then it doesn't have the 3. Oh, so it's an alternating with 1 plus 2. And then let's see if this is it. If we go back to 4 and then 4 without the 1, is that gonna get us there? Why does it keep doing that? I don't like it when it does that. Especially because it completely borks what I'm trying to do. What is going on? Okay. Okay, so if I just copy these two, and please don't copy anything else. It's copying, is it copying the line that I'm on too? Is that what it is? Yes, it's copying the line that I'm on and throwing that on top of that. I get it. So this would be 4. Or this would be 1 plus 4, and this would be 4. Does that get us there? No, missing 1. Yeah, and like I'm sure, so this is one of those, I'm just want to see if I can figure this out. Like I know this answer is going to be out there 100 different times. I just want to see if I can like puzzle through it and figure out what if we can find the pattern. If I can, basically I want to see if I can see the pattern. And like, so we see the first pattern of getting those first numbers, and then somehow we got to get the rest of it. No, it's just Control C, Control V, but this application is picking up the line that I'm on. So I was trying to just do this, but it's doing this, which is not cool. Only copy the stuff that I've highlighted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4. Why did that? Okay, so there's going to be a. Wait, nope. $36, $35, whatever, $33. So this, somehow we got to get this to 32. So you're going to go, okay, I'll bet you go up. I'm not a fan of this, the way this app does things sometimes. So I bet this number increments. So it was 0 plus, and then it was 1 plus the string, and then 2 plus the string. I'll bet we hit 3 plus the string here in a second. Drop the number from the row you're on. I was actually going to go the other way and think it was adding the thing. So let's see, 33, 32. So it's going to do it again. Yes, it is. I don't like that. So this would be, we think then this is going to be, crap, I can't look at this way. There's that. There's that. Oh no, that's going to drop by 2. So this has to become 1. Stop that. Whoops. I ate the 4. Okay, so you have to, and then it's going to do this, right? Ah, stop. 4, 5, 6. I used to like this application. So that's 30, and then the next one down, I'm guessing we start with 3 plus 5. gives us 29. And then we're gonna go 2, 1, 0. 2, 1, 0. 2, 1, 0. So that's the pattern. So this, okay, where is 36 and 35 and 34? So 36 is all the way over. 35 is at level 2. Okay, so it's the number of this, maybe? 34 is up 3. Nope. Okay, that didn't do it. So you've got to do math. Somehow you have to do the calculation to figure out what... Where's 26? Do I have 26 yet? 26 is at 0. 34 is at 1. 33 is at 0. Line numbers leading character. One, 2, get you, where's 35? Does 35, okay, 30, nope. 35 starts with a 2. 34 starts with a 1. Like, I can see the pattern. We just got to get to it. Like, so, and to really show the pattern, right? There's 0. Here's 0. 1 of 0 was 7. 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Right. So that's obviously the pattern. We just have to figure out how to calculate to this number, because like the x portion of it's pretty easy. Okay, this is gonna be on the x. Okay, let's start actually at the start instead of the top. So 1, and then 1 plus 2 is 3. And so I'm just gonna do the line 1, line 0, line 1, whatever. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, it's 6, right? 6, and then we're going to 10, 15, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these lines have a 0 in front of them. Like there's no, it's either a 1 or a 0, basically. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 10, 15. Draw them backwards and then minus your way to the first number. So 15. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. That's 1. Minus 5, minus 4. 3 minus 2 minus 1. I'm not following you. Because that's always going to hit 0. Yeah, I goofed on 4, right? I can't type on this thing. So that would always hit 0, though, right? Because that would be going up. Oh, wait, hang on. I see what you're saying. I think maybe. So if we go look at 34. What do we say 34 starts as? Well, but the trick is we're going to get coordinates. So like the input, right, with call width is 1 less than previous row. So this is the column width. Like that's got to be it, right? 35. What was 35? -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. So that's one row up. But it hits 0. Yeah, so this is one of those, like you could build the whole triangle, but like there's got to be a way, like this is one of those like Google code challenges or whatever. Like there's got to be a way to just get the coordinates and look it up that way. Yeah, that's right. Exactly. Yeah, well, you could build to it, but it would take 5 years or something, right? But like this is close. So it's just, and like, again, I could go look this up in like an instant or whatever, but I want to see if I can figure it out. Yeah, exactly. So it's going up 1 0 1 0. Wait, 36, 35, 34, 33. Oh, this, if we kept going, that's why this would be 37. So is it so is it the number of items that you're, nope, that's not it. 1 2 3, it's got to be, so where's 26, 27, 28 and 29? Let's look at those. 26, 27, 28 and 29. So 29 is at 3. 26, 27 and 28. Oh, that's a bummer. Coordinate system is x-axis is 1 through whatever, y-axis is 1 through whatever. So like this is 1 1, this is 1 2, this is 2 1, this is 6 1 or whatever it is. But this is what throws me. 26, 27, 28, and then 29 are all based off of 5, 6, 7, 8. So like there's a jump, because like I would expect, and then 25. Wait a minute, what's 25 gonna be? Five, 6, 7 plus 4? Is that right? Yeah, okay, that's it. No. Five, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. Now I'm super confused. So the bottom left is 1 1. Yep. I just confused myself. So one of the 5, 6, 7, 8 could do 36. Zero. So wait, do you just subtract 1 per? Wait, do you just, yeah, wait, hang on. You just subtract one. Per thing. If you go up, you just subtract one. Off of the number itself. Wait, is that the algorithm? Hang on. So if we go to 21, oh, that might be it. I think that's it. So 21 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if we wanted, so this is 21, which is coordinate 1, 0. And then if we do, no, sorry, coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Wait, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hang on. 6 and 0. Nope, that's not gonna be it. I think it shifts and you have invisible starting column. Yeah, so there's like a 0 in there somewhere, or like there's the 0th. But like this subtracting of 1, how do we get? So if this is 1, 1. Let's do dot. Well, what's going on? 1.1. And so 1.2. No, sorry. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And 20 is 5, 2. Because the coordinates are going to be part of our input. Why does that keep doing that? 5.2. Right, so actually 1 plus, and then so if we subtract, if we subtract 1, hang on. If we subtract 1 for the column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a second. I keep changing coordinate systems and it's confusing. I think I'm not. This is 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, right? Yeah, so this is 1, 1. If I am changing it, that's not intentional. Like 0, 0 would be down, like 0, 0 doesn't exist on this. Oh, you're thinking YX. Oh. Yeah, sorry. I'm doing XY. But hang on, this has got to be close. So it's I'm about to start throwing this into code just so we can do it faster. 5 and 2 is -1, so 4.3. But the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's 4, 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. Oh wait, crap. Oh, 4, 3 is what I want. That's 19. So if we grab the last of these, I'm trying to see if there's like, so here we do this 1 plus that. And then we're going to subtract 1 because we've gone up 1 column, which gets us 20. But I don't know how this 4 works. And then we minus 2. It gets us 19. Okay, so this might be an algorithm here, right? We just got to figure out how to populate it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6, 3. Four, 5, 6, 7. So you have to be able to add these numbers together. So 6, 5. I think that's going to be it. So 6, 3. We're going to do this. 6.3. And then we're going to subtract 2 from it. And we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 7 minus 2. Should be 27. 26. Crap. Next way, because all Python loops for nested end up row column, right? This is really close. Six, 3, so 6, 1. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 3. Oh, it's off by 1. It's close. Like, it's got to be close. And so really what we need is, I'm gonna make some for loops here. Whatever. So we want to do 1 to x plus 1. Number plus x chord. I can't type. Print solution. 3, 0. 0 doesn't matter right now. Run it. Let's try putting a colon there. None. How about we return a number? What do you say about that? I think that's a good idea. Right, so 6. So if we do 1, it's 1. If we do 2, it should be 3. And then we'll get 6, and then we'll get 10 on 4. So that gives us the baseline. Five, 15, right? Okay, cool. And then, so that's cool. So do you add Oh, you add the position. So if it's 1, you add 1 to it. If it's 3, no, if it's position 2, you add 2 to 3. Right? So if it's row 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. If it's row 2, no. Crap, no. 6, 9 is not 13. And 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, no. See, these 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, they don't. Never mind. These two work. Up by 1, up by 2, up by 3. 1. 2 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm assuming it's 15. Right. So... four. Gotcha. Okay, right. So the position, so 4 and then 5 and then 6 and then 7 and then 8, right? So 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you got to get... Oh. So, right. If X is... So wait, is this as easy as... Yeah, you would just start it... range 1, X plus 1 gives you the coordinates. But you need your starting position... So this goes up by 2, this goes up by 3. This goes up by 2, this goes up by 3, this goes up by 4. Or sorry, this goes up by 3. Okay, so you gotta bring it down 1, right? Oh, I can see it in my head. I just can't get it in the thing. Yeah, you probably don't need a loop. It's gonna be... Well, I would need a loop to do the first part of the math, maybe? I don't know. Let's see if we can solve the first part of it first, and then bounce off of it. So for coordinate range of 1... So that's on X equals 0. And like, if we do Y equals 2, it's not gonna do anything different right now. But the number is going to equal... So if we start with Y, 17, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then... You don't need to flip it all. You just sum the range. The start number, end number. That's what I was saying to first. Okay, cool. Then you know the step, right? Well, and the 4, and so the Y is which position up it is. So if it's 1, it goes to 2. And see, this is where... Oh yeah, so wait. Range is going to be Y. Wait, is that right? Plus X, no, because you got to start it at Y. How do you tell it to start at Y? Oh, wait, from Y to X1? Wait, what's this going to do? 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, no. Right. I just can't get there in my head right now. So we start at 2, 3, 4, and we start at position 3. Oh, wait. So hang on. Or Y chord in range of Y. No, of, okay, so Y. What is the growth for Y2? Right, so Y2 is going to start at, so this is 1, this is 2. It starts at 2, but then it adds 3, and then it adds 4, and then it adds 5, and then it adds 6, and 7, and an 8. So you need to bounce off of Y. So you need to start at Y and then do Y plus 1 until you get to X. No, until you get to X. This is not going to work. For Y chord in range of that to that, what's that going to do? 26, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Oh, it's off by 1. Y minus 1. 27. That didn't work. That went the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Face cam lag. Oh, hey, look at that. That's awesome. Okay, that's working. So, crap. Oh, plus 1. All right, hang on. And then I'll see if I can fix the face cam. $24. Is that the right number? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. This, like, we're on it. Yeah, off by 1 the other way. Nope, made it worse. All right, hang on a second. Let me see if I can fix the cam. Somewhere down here is a thing that looks like this. All right, stand by. Let's see if I can actually get this thing going again. I need to figure out why that happens. Give me 1 second, because that's kind of annoying. All right, camera's still on, so that's good. Good start. Cam link, blah, blah, blah. All right, stand by. Totally freaked out. This is high quality content. Yay, technical difficulties. All right. Take 2. And now it's not there at all. about that? That's awful, but that's without doing more work. That's the best I've got right now. So new keyboard cam, really up the nose cam. No, made it worse. Okay, yeah. So let's see. So this baseline. $27 also is the wrong answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. See, it's off by 1. What if we do X minus 1? There we go. What's that gonna do? 23, we're getting closer. $22, we're still getting closer. This is, eventually we'll figure out like how to actually do this. By the way, where's 22 on this number? 21. Oh, 22 is way up here. So there's 5, 2. So we need 20. By the way, hey Nuts, how's it going? Like, this is one of those things where I could totally look this up, but I'm trying to see if I can solve it. And like, we're close. So we've got, all right, here, let's start with 5, 0. Let's get 5, 0 working. So let's take X out of the equation. So 5, 0, oh, which is really 5, 1. Hang on, there is no 5, 0. 5, 1. See, we're doing 22, so we're off by 1 with that. So really, we need this. Maybe. 17. No, that did not work. Well, now I'm very confused. All right, we're gonna go all the way back. We're gonna go 1, 1. We're gonna walk this up incrementally and see if we can make this happen. Because theoretically, the logic we have here should work across the board, right? It should work for 1, 1. And then for 1, 2, actually, I'm gonna do 2, 1 and see if that gets us 3. No. X plus 1. 4. Nope. Okay, there's 3. So 1, 2, 1. And then if we do 3, 1, and again, I'm just trying to like get my head around what's going on here. So that's 7 and we need 6. So that's an off by 1. But the other one was working. So zero X plus 1. This is no idea what's going on. So that's 10. That's too much. So 3. How do we get, so y minus 1? Hang on a second. Are we close? Nope, still at 7. What happens if you do, there's 5, also not good. Right now, I'm obviously just poking at numbers, right? Sorry, the camera's down here now. I really wish that hadn't choked. I don't know what's going on there. This is some kind, like, we're right there. I expect, like, it's gonna be funny if if this is not close at all. But so 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. We're looking for the number 6. So really what we want is, oh, wait a minute. 4. I was giving it a number of y to start with. That was not the right thing to do. So from 1 to y, or from 1 to x, and then we're still adding 1 to it, which is fine. From y, this is wrong. So we need to do x minus y, because it's deterministic on the number coming in. So 3, number equals x chord, so this should go from 0. No, why is that not going up? The number 4 should not happen here. Let me take this out of the mix for a second, just so I can see what's going on. We're close. Okay, so there's 3. And if I do 1 here, is that still 3? Yes. Okay. So one more time. 1. Oh, 0. No. Oh, x plus 1. Okay, hang on. Still figuring it out. Right. Okay. So 1, and then we're going to keep going. So if I do 2, hopefully we get 3 now. Okay. And if I do 3, hopefully we get 6. Okay. So now we just got to add the y stuff in. We may have been close, and I was just off because I was calling in the y here for the number. What's this going to do? 7. So y minus 1 is still doing that. X minus y minus 1. What's that going to do? 6. Okay. So 3, 1 is 6. 3, 1 is 6. What is 4, 1? 11. Ah! Getting food. Cool. C speed. Okay, so this part I'm pretty confident in, because we're just adding up the numbers to basically get the first row. And then what we need to do, let me look back at this for a second. Not that. This. So we need to start actually at 0. And then 1. And so here, really, we need to do... Oh, there's only going to be the one for loop, maybe. Yeah, there's only going to be one loop. So we need to figure out what the starting number is, which would be y. One, 2, 3. $11. 4 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, no. This is close. Like, because you want to get... I can halfway see... Like, I can see it. Two, and then we need to add 3 to it. We start at 2, and then... 3 plus 1. No, wait, how did we get the first number? Oh, and like, whatever, mathematician knows how to do this. 7 plus 5. How do you get to the 7? 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so you go up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Nope, that's not how that works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come on. So let's see. So 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 21. 5, 2. 1, 2. Well, so 6. What's 6? What's 7, 1? I mean, we know what the answer is, but I just want to look at this way. $28, which is what we expect. And what is 6.2? Do I have that yet? I don't think I do. 6.2 is gonna be all this stuff. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 27. We're looking for 27. Plus 7. Minus 1. Six, 3. We've actually got down here already. So this is what confuses me. Like, and then what's 6-4? 6-4 gonna follow the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna add one more here. Whoops. Maybe. So 37. 38. 39. 40, 41, 42, everybody's favorite number, 43, 44, 45. So 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 42. Do we add 8? Nine minus 3. Okay. That helps us with the pattern. Maybe not. Crap. This is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 is 27. 21, 27. This is wrong. This should have an 8, right? Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. 34 is the right number? 34. 21, 27, 34, 21, 27, 34, 42. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 0. And also adding 1. So you add... For each number in the Y column, you add another 1. Oh, you add 1 and then you subtract 1. Hang on, is that it? Number equals 0. You add 1 and then you subtract 1. So but you don't add 1 for the 1. You only add 1 from the 0. So Y change is going to be Y minus 1. And then for X chord in range of X, no, in range of 0 or whatever, 1, because 0 doesn't matter. I just lost it. So we want to have X plus Y change. X plus Y change. Number equals number plus X chord. And then number equals number minus Y change. Return number. So 416, that is not it at all. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, hang on, but we're off by 1. Number plus X plus Y change. Eek. So Y should be 0. X coming in should be 4. Why didn't that... So Y is 1. So Y becomes here. Hang on, let's just loop this. Number 0, X is 4, Y is 1. Y changes 0. X is 4. X coordinate is 1. Y 1, Y changes 0, right? Number is 1. Number's 3. X chord is 3. Number is 6. See, that's where it should bail. Because Y change is 0. X is 4. Oh, X is 4. Oh, wait, did I go the wrong way? I needed to add 1 to it, not subtract 1 to it. I understand what's happening. Oops. Don't do that. Plus 1. 10. 4, 1 is 10. 5, 1 should be 15. We might have it. We'll find out right now. 5, 2 should be 20. Sweet. 1. So 1 1. Let's make sure. Let's test the initial one, right? 1 1 is 1. Cool. Here it is. One, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 5 should be 11. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 2 is 9. Nice. So what are the 5, 10 should be 96. Please be 96. 96. Okay. So that's it. Cool. That is not bad at all. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Number equals 0. Y change equals Y minus 1. For that. One Y change. Yeah, so we keep adding numbers. And then we subtract that last one. That's cool. That's kind of fun. For example, bunny worker has an ID of 1, bunny worker at 3, 2 has 9, bunny worker at 2, 3 has 8. Let's just look at 2, 3. Eight. Cool. Write a function 1 and 10,000. Okay. So I'm curious to see if you do 10,000, 10,000 or 100,000, 100,000, how long it takes. Or let's do 9s. How long is this gonna take? Not very long at all. And then we want to do it as a string. That goes super fast. I mean, computers are good at that kind of stuff. Oh, that's weird. That's the same basic number. 1994. That concerns me. 145. 99. 99. 194.05. Whatever. I guess it's probably okay. Sweet. Okay. I'm going to stop the stream now. Because you're down there, and see if I can fix the camera, and then I'll probably be back on later tonight. But I also need to go get some. Food, so I'm gonna go get some food, and we'll see y'all later. Also, looks like desktop audio is still going, so that's good. The music's still going. I gotta figure this stuff out. You're down there. Cool. Cheers. See y'all. Take it easy. Bye.